What if I told you that the 3 most mysterious keys from Squid Game Season 3 could actually be yours? Today, I'm going to show you how to make them 100% by hand, using only things you probably already have at home. And here's the twist. I'll be using 3 completely different techniques, so you can pick the one that's easiest for you. So if you've ever wanted these keys in your collection, stick around, because what you're about to see has never been done like this before. Let's start with the first key. To make it, I will use Eva rubber in pink, blue and gray. Then a metallic acrylic marker from Ohuhu in silver, a wooden stick, glue and a silver chain.
Baby, without sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up, don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know, I wouldn't know.
To make the second key, I'm using 5mm thick EVA foam, gray EVA foam, 2 Ohuhu acrylic markers, 1 silver and 1 pink, and some blue acrylic paint. I'll also need a pink bead, scissors, a straw, and a silver chain.
You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh you know, 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 baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do, I wouldn't know what to do, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know, baby, without.
To paint the key, I am going to use my favorite Ohuhu acrylic markers. I am going to choose the perfect shade. If you don't use acrylic markers, you can also paint it with pink acrylic paint. Any of the 2 options will work. I leave the links to all the materials I'm using in the video description.
We don't wanna wake up yet, no, 'cause I just wanna stay there right next to you, baby, yeah. 'Cause we both deserve this time. All work, no play, it's like we're running away. We can't stay in our beds all day, 'cause we both deserve it all. Maybe we can sleep in and skip work too.
Today I'm wearing these 2 rings from Made. One represents the shadow, the other the light. Just like in Squid Game, where anyone can switch sides. I'll leave the links in the description. For our third and final key, you can use air-dry cold porcelain in any color you have, a silver acrylic marker, and a silver chain. As you can see, I'm using a bit of red cold porcelain because I already had it open, and I'll paint it pink later with acrylic paint. But if you prefer, you can go straight in with pink cold porcelain or any air-dry clay in that color.
Something about the way you move makes me wanna feel your groove. Something about the way you dress, baby, got me feeling like a mess, baby. We should still have fun, though we say we don't, 'cause I just wanna get down with you. For the last time, I can call you mine. Once more than I swear we're through. You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not waste it. Haven't kissed your lips for days, don't remember how they taste. You can tell me when we're naked. You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not waste it. Haven't kissed your lips for days, don't remember how they taste. You can tell me when we're naked. Naked. I just wanna see you.
We already have the 3 finished keys. Which of the 3 techniques did you find the easiest and fastest to do? Let me know in the comments. And by the way, would you like me to make the knife in the next video?
Something about the way